We welcome you to Bakeman's second International Language League, organized by the Department of English and Modern Languages of North-South University. DEML, in short, is coming up with the largest language Olympiad in the country. The competition will be held in 5 different languages: Bangla, English, Chinese, German and French. And newscasting in English is one of the segments which will be a great opportunity for students to showcase their presentation potential and skills required to be an effective anchor person. So what is newscasting? It requires excellent verbal, written, improvisational and interviewing skills. These are imperative. Add to those qualities persistence and objectivity, physical stamina, being a team player, projecting a professional image, and having a knowledge of current social media. One also needs to remain relevant about the information presented to the audience or listeners. Our eligibility criteria is students from secondary, higher secondary, and the tertiary level can participate in this segment. After registration, a confirmation email will be sent a day before the competition to each participant. There will be 3 rounds: divisional, semi-final, and final. The divisional round will take place at the nearest venue of the participants, which would be selected by the Language League team. The theme and topic, as far as content goes, will be provided a day before the competition begins. For the semi-final and final rounds, the venue will be the North-South University campus. The topics for the semi-final and final will be provided an hour before the competition begins. The time duration will be 5 minutes. No time extensions will be permissible. Any extensions will be deemed invalid and the participants will not be allowed to continue. The Language League would also be organizing workshops to enable the participants the skills of public speaking from experienced speakers. So we encourage you to join these workshops to enhance your delivery and presentation skills. Prompt attendance is expected and you are expected to appear 30 minutes before the competition begins. There will be an attendance roster. The dress code has not been made mandatory, but formal and appropriate attire is preferred. All electronic devices are forbidden during the competition. There is a marks rubrics based on the content and presentation skills of the participants, 30% for content and information, and 70% for delivery and articulation skills. So if you aspire to be a news reporter or a correspondent and even an anchor person, this is an opportunity for skills enhancement and professionalism when you participate in this competition. So without any further ado, register now on the official website of Bakeman's second International Language League. Visit www.languageleague.info for further information.